Hi guys. Well, I would like to continue with the logarithms, right? I wanted to understand, is there any particular topic that you guys need help with for the semester exam or whatever? Is there any particular topic which you would like me to go over? Krish, do you have something?
No, nothing specific.
Okay. Have they completed all the curriculum for your semester exam at school?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll go ahead and do more. I'll go ahead and do more logarithms problems.
Miss Priya,
Go ahead.
I had to leave 5 minutes early today. Just want to know if that's okay.
Sure, ma'am. Not all a problem. Okay, let me go ahead and show you one AP pre-calc problem. Okay, so I just want you to realize how important it is, whatever you're doing. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, I'll show you one AP pre-calc problem. Give me a minute. And then I'll go on with whatever I wanted to. Okay, yesterday we were solving this in class and I was thinking about this group. Okay. Okay. So this was one of the problems. Okay, solve for x. This one is solve for x. Since it is on the current topic that we are doing with, I thought of sharing with you. Let me share my screen. If you study this properly, this unit, first 30% of pre-calc is done, AP pre-calc, not the honors pre-calc. Honors pre-calc was tougher, but AP pre-calc, see, this is one of the problems that they did. Solve for x. I think there's more. Wait. There is more to this. Yeah. So this was the question. 1 second. This was the question. Would you be able to solve this? This is in the 2024 AP pre-calc exam. Do you want to try? These two were questions, okay? I'll give you one more. We'll solve these two and then move on to more logs. This was question number 2. Okay, try this one for me. If you don't know, I'll help you. This was based out of what we discussed on Thursday. Do you think you can handle or do you want me to try? Guys, you have to let me know. Yes, no, I can do.
Miss Priya, can you do it?
Yes. But is there somebody who can do it? You're going to substitute 10 here. Okay. And express it as ln. Express it as logarithmic function. Can we do this, you think? Pranav, did you get it?
Yeah.
Arya, Krish?
Yeah, I got it now.
Okay. And similarly, see the same thing you're going to study again for polynomial function, exponential and logarithmic, which will be the first unit of AP pre-calc. If you study now nicely, it is going to be so useful. I will do it, Parvini, for you on the board. There's a lot to do in the logarithm space. I'll do that. Ansh, are you able to do?
Yeah, I'm typing my answer.
Okay. Yep. See, Shragvi, that's correct answer, Shragvi. So don't lose whatever you know now, okay? Siddhi, that's correct. Arya, that's correct. I'll help Krish. That is correct, Arya, for the second one. Good job. Okay, so let me go ahead and do. See, guys, if you want to solve this, right? See, exponential function is the inverse function of ln, correct? So I will take ln on both sides. Ln 10 equal to, correct, Krish, second one is as well correct. Ln e power of x plus 3. Now ln and e are like sine inverse and sine. Did we study sine? Okay, no, for you, you have not studied. So ln and e are like multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So in that case, they both get cancelled. So x plus 3 will be equal to ln 10. Subtract 3 on both sides, you get x equal to ln 10 minus 3. That's it. Anirudh, you have to express in terms of logarithms. Okay, you'll not be given a calculator for this section, Anirudh. But I think your answer may be right, I think.
Okay. Yeah, I just like
Converted it. Okay, that's fine. The second one is j of x equal to, see here you have to perform logarithmic condensation. See, you have to condense the given expression. So here it's a plus, same base, log 10, right? If it is plus, you multiply these two. If it is minus, what would happen? This 9, I'm sorry, this 9, one second. Let me quickly show 9 log base 10x. This can be log base 10 x power of 9. It can either go up or it can come back, the exponent. So now since this is a minus, right, this x power 9 should be in the denominator. Now 8 x power of 5 times, Ansh, I didn't get your answer. So since there is a plus, right, it is multiplication. Since there is a minus, right, it is going to be division. Pranav, I didn't get your answer, right? Pranav.
Yeah, I'm still sending it.
Okay. So here, what would happen? 8 twos are 16, x power of 7 by x power of 9, right? So basically, this is log base 10 with all this. So log base 10. I'm just shortening it, guys. Here, log base 10, log base 10, log base 10. All are in the same base, but these two should be multiplied. This should be divided. Now here, we already sent it, Amma. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, Ansh. I didn't get your answer for the first one. Second one is correct. So here it's going to be x square is here. So log base 10, 16 by x square. That's it. Can I move on? Okay. Having said this, right? Let's see, change of base for logs. Krish, was the for the test, was it helpful, Krish?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, good, Siddhi. Thanks for the note. Okay. Now let's see here. How about okay. How about this? Now you can use the calculator for this, but I would like you to solve for 9 e power of 3x equal to 27. Solve for x. You can use the calculator. Can we try?
Miss Priya, you're on mute.
Thank you. Parvini, did you get your answer?
Yeah, I sent it to you.
No, right? You just typed lawn. See your answer? You just typed lawn.
Oh,
No problem. Okay, so here. So x will be equal to ln 3 by 3. I'll move on. Okay, I want to do some harder problems. So let's see. Okay, how about this?
wait, Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
The threes don't cancel, right?
3's don't cancel, ma. Answer was ln 3 by 3.
Okay.
Make sense?
hmm
Okay, I just want to go over some harder problems. So let me see. It's a good one. Okay. How about this? See, how about this? Okay. I'm going to give you this. You're going to frame the equations, okay? You're going to solve for yourself. Let me see. A baseball player has a 25% chance of hitting a home run. For how many game? During a game. For how many games? For how many games will the probability of hitting a home run? Cheryl, you're not answering, right?
Yeah, I just settled in.
It's interesting, but I want to see how you frame up the equation. A baseball player has a 25% chance of hitting a home run during a game. For how many games will the probability of hitting a home run in every game drop to 5%? Logarithm, I'll give you challenge assignment. Let me see.
Or Miss Priya, do you need to solve it or just set up equation?
You need to solve it, Amma. You have
Oh,
to
solve.
find the value of after how many games, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah. Yeah, but that seems correct. Arya, is that right? See, equation setting up, I feel it's incorrect. The equation setting up is the problem I see in this question. A baseball player has a 25% chance of hitting a home run during a game. So for one game, it is 0.25, right? If he plays 2 games, what will be the probability of hitting a home run? Okay, here I clearly see the problem is writing the equation. So if he plays 1 game, the probability of hitting a home run is 0.25. If he plays 2 games, the probability of hitting a home run is this. If he plays 3 games, the probability of hitting a home run is this, right? So if he plays n games, probability of hitting a home run is this. If he plays 1 game, it is this. If he plays 2 games, it is this. If he plays 3 games, it is this. This is the probability of hitting a home run. So if he plays n games, the probability of hitting a home run is 0.25 power n. So for how many games will the probability of hitting a home run in every game drop to 5%? In that case, so 0.25 power n will be equal to what? It has to drop to 0.05, right? How to solve this? Take log on both sides. So it will be n log 0.25 equal to log 0.05. N will be equal to log 0.05 by log 0.25. Make sense? Am I making sense? So answer will be 2.
I have a question.
Yes, Siddhi.
How does the n come in front of the log? There.
Oh, this one? Siddhi, here. Suppose if you have log of n square, right? This power can be brought to the back when we are solving logarithms. Can be written like this. This is the property of log. Siddhi, did I clarify that?
Yeah.
Okay. Anirudh, are you there? Okay.
Yeah,
How
I'm
about,
there.
okay, how
My
about
video isn't working, that's why you can't see me. Sorry.
okay. Now, okay, let's see. How about a 75 lb dog? Okay. You are going to frame the equation. Okay. 75 lb dog was given aspirin, was given 325 mg aspirin tablet. Okay. Amount remaining in the dog's body after 1 minute. Amount of aspirin, this you're going to do. Aspirin in the dog's body after 1 minute is equal to, is given as A will be equal to 325 half power of P by 15. How long will it take for the aspirin to drop to 50 mg? How long will it take for the aspirin to drop to 50 mg? Can we try this one? Can we try this one? This one is a continuation of whatever we've studied. Let's see. It's a continuation of basically exponential functions, right? Let's see.
Miss Priya,
Mhm.
we're not using calculator for these, right?
You're not. No, you can.
Huh?
You can't find it if you don't use a calculator. So you can. Correct. Krish and Ansh, correct. Let me see if I can find the AP pre-calc material for logs. You can do some of it for sure. Yeah, I do have it. Why don't we try that? See, Siddhi, you had a question, right? Let me show you. Okay, go ahead and do this. But I wanted to show you the log properties. Maybe you missed the Thursday, right? Maybe that you don't know. So here, this can be written as log B of M plus log B of N. This can be written as log B of M minus log B of log base B N. Here, this can be written as K log M base B. Okay, this is all good. Yes, Pranav, that's right. So let's go ahead and solve more problems. I'm waiting for some of your answers. I really don't know. Where are we? I have the answer key and all. Okay, how about this? Reduce properties of logs. I just want you to be able to condense and expand anything that's given to you. So let's see. This is exponential equation. So let's see whether you're able to solve this. Okay. Some of you did not answer. Should I ask or should I not? Cheryl, did you solve? Parvini, did you solve?
Yeah, I saw my answer.
Did you send ma? Okay, others who have solved, right? You can go with this. Solve for X. Here. Whoever has sent it. Siddhi, did you solve the previous one?
Yeah.
Miss Priya,
Yep.
I solved it, but I don't think I did it right.
I can help you. You want me to solve it on the board?
Yeah.
Okay, so here. A equal to 325, 1 by 2, T by 15, right? So here. Then it reduces to 50 mg, right, ma? Substitute this as 50, divide by 325 on both sides. 50 divided by 325 will be equal to half T by power of T by 15. So what do you do for this one? You can change it to log, or you can plug it into the calculator as two different functions. This is a function, this is a function. Put T as X. So see the intersection of both, that will give you the answer. Otherwise, find out 50 by 325, it's 0.154. Okay, that being the case, you can take log on both sides. If you take log on both sides, the power will come to the back, right? So here, this will be T by 15 log 0.5. Now, T will be equal to log 0.154 by log 0.5. However, this will also be times 50. Make sense, ma? So answer is approximately 41 minutes. Okay, you can go ahead and solve the next one. This was the question. Solve for x. This is an exponential equation. Sahil correct, Shagvi correct. Seems easy for you guys. Good job. I just want to do a harder solving than this. I'm trying to pick it up from the pre-calc. Let's see. Hold on. Yeah, this is a good one actually. Okay. Okay, how about this? Expand and simplify we'll work on, I feel. Expand and simplify we'll work on, but I would like you to solve log equations. How about this? Differential equations. Solving log equations. This is a good one. Okay. Yep. How about this, guys? How about this one? This one I'm getting different answers, guys. Really? I think Krish and Ansh got it. No. Arya has a different answer. Shagvi has a different answer. What is going on? Let me solve. Okay, so this is 3 power of 3x, 3 power of half, whole power of 4x equal to 1 by 9, 3 power of 3x, 3 power of 2x equal to 1 by 9, 3 power of 5x equal to 3 power of minus 2. So 5x equal to minus 2, x will be equal to minus 2 by 5. Cheryl, corrector. Pranav, where did we make the mistake? Krish and Ansh. The negative sign is missing. Did you see that?
Yeah, I forgot to put it.
Yeah. Be careful for the exam. Yeah, Anirudh, correct. Shagvi, correct. Sahil, correct. Can I move on? Let me see. I'm trying to pick it up a little harder. Let's see. How about this? How about this? Two questions are there. We'll do one by one. It's a little tricky. Let's see. That's nice, Arya. Yes, this is correct. Okay, many of you got one correct. Arya, Krish, correct. Second one is a little complicated. Cheryl Ansh, correct. See, for the next week, for the last class, right? If you have something for me to review, I will definitely review. Otherwise, I'll go ahead with whatever is the first unit for pre-calc or do some regression as well. I need, okay, Anirudh, did you do the first one? You need help, Anirudh?
Yeah, it's the first one that I need help with.
Sure. If you need help, we'll definitely do. So here we have to evaluate this, right? So see, they are of different bases, right? But see here, the base is 3 and this number can be written as 3 power. That's the best part. Did you see? This is 3 power minus 1, right? Right, now divided by, again, this is 5. I can write this as 5 power. Did you observe that? So 5 power 3. Now, if you have the base and the number the same, see, log base b, let's say b power 2. I can write this, take it to the back and write it like this, 2 log base b. What is this? This is basically 1, right? Answer is 2. Okay, so here again the same thing is happening. Minus 1 can be taken to the back. So minus 3 times minus 1 log base 3 divided by 3 log 5 base 5. So this becomes 1, this becomes 1. Now 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Answer is a plus 1. Makes sense? Makes sense? Second one is slightly harder than the first one. I'm checking your work, Krish. This is 5 log base to 2x power of 5 p power of 6. Not really, Krish. You missed something, I feel. I'm checking. Give me a minute, guys. I will do 2, but can you try 2 as well? It's not 2x power of 5, right, Krish? That 2 is incorrect.
Oh, okay.
Siddhi, that 30 is incorrect. Okay, something feels wrong on your answer, Siddhi. 2x power of 5 p power of 6. Okay, Ansh, that is nice to know from you. Ansh, the answer is correct. So, should I solve 2? Arya, did you solve 2?
Yes, I'll do.
Oh, you did send?
Yeah, I sent.
Oh, Krish, did you put it as... Oh, Krish, I think you sent it wrongly to me. Is it 2x whole power 5 or 2x power 5?
I
See,
think,
ah, so when you write the answer as well, you have to be careful, I feel. Let's see. So here, this is going to be all are in log 2. Do you see it? So now I can rewrite this as log base to 2x whole power of 5. That's where you made the mistake. I'm taking it up this time.
yeah, that's what I meant to write.
Okay, log base to w power 1 by 3. And then plus 3 I can take it up, right? So that will be log base to p power of 6. Now here when you look at it, all are in log base 2. When it is addition, you can multiply. When it is subtraction, you have to divide. So here these two are added. So log base 2, 2x whole power 5 p power 6. I multiplied, but then there is a negative here. So the division will be for cube root of w. Now log base 2, see this one 2 power of 5 is 32 x power of 5 p power of 6 divided by cube root of w. That's what is a simplified version. You can leave this, go to the fourth one. Try the fourth one because I don't think I have done third one in your class. Try the fourth one. We'll talk about how to factor. I will try to show you the third one. You can go ahead. Okay, let me show you how to factorize. Third one, did you guys get it? Fourth one, definitely you can solve by yourself. Fourth one, I don't think you need help. Third one, I don't know. I have not done it in class. Ansh, the third one is to factorize it, right? Arya, what was that answer for 109 by 28? Was it for the fourth one?
Yeah, it's for the fourth one.
My head is spinning. I don't think so. Oh, yeah, correct. Correct. Sahil, the fourth one doesn't seem right. Arya, you can try factoring the third one, Arya. Cheryl, correct. Was it for the fourth one, Cheryl?
Yeah.
So this one, let me solve it. Parvini, are you here with me? See, all are in base 8, right? So it's so nice to simplify. When it is a plus, right? Whatever you have, these numbers you're going to multiply, that's all. Log base 8, 10 times 10 minus x. This side would be log base 8, 9 times 2x minus 1. Okay, now you can see both sides have log base 8, right? So I would go ahead and drop both. If you take e power, both are log base 8, right? So literally you can cancel them off, and I am thinking you can just equate whatever the number is there for them. So like, see, when you have exponent 2 power of x equal to 2 power of x plus 2, you can equate these two powers, right? It's like that for logs here. So you just equate this one with this one. So 18x minus 9 minus 9. So this will be 100 minus 10x equal to 18x minus 9. So it would be 28x will be equal to 109. X will be 109 by 20. Parvini, did you follow?
Yeah.
Okay, but factor, did anybody solve the third one? Arya, Krish, Pranav, are you solving the third one?
Yeah, I'm doing it now.
See here, when you look at the problem itself, for you to factorize and write it as linear, as factors, right? What should you do? Basically 10 you need to express as 5 times 2. Or you need to express it as 10 times 1, like that. That's a factor, right? So now if you have x square plus 4x plus 4, you need to express it as x plus 2 times x plus 2. That is only factoring. You have factored this polynomial into linear factors. So for you here, as soon as you see, right, substitute. This is very hard to have it as 10 power of x. 10 power of x is a variable, any variable t. If I put it out as t, right, 10 power of x whole power of 2 is what? 100 power of x basically, right? So instead of 100 power of x, I will write it out as t squared equal to minus 5t plus 50. Now t square plus 5t minus 50 equal to 0. Now t square minus plus 5t minus 50 equal to 0 can be easily expressed as linear factors 10 and 5. So 10t minus 5t minus 50 equal to 0. Take t as common, you get t plus 10. Take 5 as common, t plus 10 equal to 0. So this can be factorized as t minus 5, t plus 10. However, t was not something that we had earlier. So you have to substitute it back. 10 power of 5, 10 power of x minus 5, 10 power of x plus 10. Make sense? This is how you factorize it. Can I move on? Any questions here? Any questions?
No.
Okay, how about this? We'll do one more factoring. Random. Random. Okay, 1 second, let me see. Just want to give you 1 or 2 more of this. Just wanted to, okay, how about this? Okay, solve log equations we can solve, but log equations is okay, but let's see something else. Factoring we'll solve. How about this, guys? I've never solved factors in this class. Let's see this one. Try this one. You have to factor that. Okay, we'll go for some harder problems. Let's see. Okay, I don't know whether we did something like this. Let's see. There are 2 problems in here. Next 2, we are going to solve this. This is 1, 2, 3. Factoring means you're going to express that as factors. Let's try. Can I do it on the board or you are going to try, guys? I just need to know. Number 3 is easy. Okay, good to know. That's nice. Um, yeah, Sahil, that's correct. But Siddhi, your answer can be further simplified, right?
I have to factor.
No, you don't have to factor it. Okay, let me show you. So here, see, both are base 6 log. So you can condense it. How to condense it? It's addition between the 2. So these 2 you can just multiply. So here log base 6, but here you will get 4 times x minus 2. Both you're going to multiply. This, Krish, is it that easy? I don't think so. Third one. Log base 6, 4x minus 8. Now, see here, 6 power of, see the same base, the number, the base is 6. Here, log base 6. So when you have something like b power of log b some expression, this entire expression simplifies to that expression, right? So if you have, let's say, 10 log base 10 of x, I can write it out as x directly because these two will cancel out. See, this is 10 power and this is log 10. So they both will cancel out. So you will just get this expression. So here 6 log base 6. So they both go. Your answer would be 4x minus 8. Arya, how did you get 2? Arya? Hey, same thing Krish got. How did you both get a 2?
I think we thought that it was equal to 0, so we tried to solve for x.
Oh, I see. See, that is an expression. Okay, just be careful. This is an expression. There is no equation here, right? So no. Okay. If you want to simplify, your answer should be an expression, not a solution. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Arya, did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay. No, just make sure you get that. That's it. Okay. Now, factor, maybe I will do. Factoring means you have to express it as a factor, ma. How did you get like this, Arya? I don't think you'll get it like this. I'll do it on the board. First one, right? Fact C, x square plus 4x plus 4. As I said, you're putting it out into factors, x plus 2, x plus 2. These are factors. Like you write 6, right, as 3 times 2. Or you can write 6 as 6 times 1. So like that, you're splitting up into factors. Product of the factors will be your expression. So here, the expression given is 25 power of x equal to 5 power of x plus 2 plus 26. What I can see is 5 power of 6 is everywhere. So I will substitute 5 power of x will be equal to t. Okay, t is my variable. This can be written as 5 power of 2x equal to 5 power of x plus 2. I don't know, let's see, plus 26. But this one, the powers are added. So I feel like I can write it out as 5 power of x times 5 squared, right? Yeah. And then plus 26. Now t I can substitute 5 power of x. So what happens? T square will be equal to 25t plus 26. That comes to t square minus 25t minus 26 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. I can factorize it as minus 26t plus 1t minus 26 equal to 0, where you will get, you take out t common, t minus 26, 1 common, t minus 26 equal to 0, further to which you get t plus 1, t minus 26 equal to 0. In factored form, I can write this out as 5 power of x plus 1 times 5 power of x minus 26. See, two linear factors. You multiply this, you will get this equation. Make sense? Does that make sense, guys?
Yeah.
How did you get t squared?
How did I get t squared? If I see 5 power of x is t means, see here, square both the sides. 5 power of x square equal to t square. This is power of powers, right? 5 power of 2x equal to t square. So 5 power of 2x, I substituted it as t square. Yes, please, Arya. Thank you for asking. Did you get it? Did I answer your question, Siddhi?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, how did you guys do this one? Can I ask you to do this one? See, e power ln, that itself tells you it's going to get cancelled. E power ln. As soon as I see that, I know that will go off and only the power. But here, see, all are like, see, e power of ln 5. I'm sorry. This is e power of ln 5. Parvini, are you getting how to do it, Parvini?
Yeah.
How do you do it? You want to help me?
Sure. I canceled out all the lawns so I could just multiply the 5 and
Mm-hmm.
2 LNW and
So e power of ln 5 times w square times 2w, correct?
yeah,
So what happens here? 10w cube, huh? Is this the answer?
that's what that's what I got.
Yep, that's the answer.
Miss Priya, how did you
Oh,
do? Can you?
oh yeah. Tell me. Let me check the answer too. Yeah. Tell me, Siddhi, what is your question?
How did you get w squared in the second?
Okay, I told you right here, a property of logarithm is C. 2 log w. If you have it, you can write it out as log w square. Or if you have log an expression with a power, right, you can take it to the back and write 2 log w. Either way is fine. You got it?
Yeah.
So here, if you have log 5 square, right, Siddhi, I can write it out as 2 log 5. Or if I have 10 log base 2, 6, if I have it like this, I can push it up and say this is log base 2, 6 power of 10. Make sense?
Yeah.
Let me give you one more or one or two more. So I'll give you this as your homework, I feel, because the pre-calc, this is a good one to do. How about this? We'll solve more of condensing and expanding. How about you solve this log equation? Seems easy for some of you though. Okay, how about this? Solve this one. This seems easy for many of you, I feel. So I'll make it a little tougher.
Are you supposed to solve x?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then see, this is a good one for you guys to solve. Please solve this. Let me see. 3 problems in this. How to solve this one? I'll solve all the 4. Please, you also solve whatever you don't know, just check. Which one do you want me to solve directly on the board? Any preference? Which one do you want to try? Which one do you want me to solve? Please take the class productively, guys.
Can you do the first two, please?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so let's see. First 2 I'll definitely do. Oh, you have 2 answers, huh? Okay, that's nice to know. So here, I'm going to move everything to the right side. So 2 log 3x square minus log 2x square minus 1 minus log 5x square plus 4 equal to 0. All are in the same base. This, I can move it up. Remember, this number, I can push it up to the power. So, but you have to be careful here. 3x square whole power 2 minus log 2x square minus 1 minus log 5x square plus 4 equal to 0. Now, see, the two are in division. So here, log, this will be 9x power of 4. Denominator would be 2x square minus 1, 5x square plus 4 equal to 0. Now,
Wait, Miss Priya,
yeah,
they're subtracting that one too, so wait, how would it be division?
here it's subtraction, here again it's subtraction, right? Both the subtractions go in the denominator. Does that make sense?
Yeah,
Okay. Now, how did you guys solve? I'm wondering. I don't know. Let's see. So here, this is log base 10, right? So basically, I can convert it to an exponent. When I convert it to an exponent, 10 power 0 will be equal to 9x power of 4. I'm not getting the answer, I feel. Let's see. 2x square minus 1, 5x square plus 4. This is what I'm getting. So this says 2x square minus 1, 5x square plus 4 equal to 9x power of 4. Ansh, Krish, everybody got the same answer. Cheryl, you're getting only one answer, huh?
I thought we only give the positive one.
Okay, let me see. 10x power of 4. I'm just multiplying, guys. Plus 8x square minus 5x square minus 4 equal to 9x power of 4. This gets me to x power of 4 plus 3x square minus 4 equal to 0. So when I solve for this, right, this from here I'll solve x power of 4 plus 3x square minus 4. This I can clearly say t. I can substitute t equal to x square. So it becomes t square plus 3t minus 4 equal to 0. So that will be minus plus 4t minus 1t, right? Equal to 0. So I take t as common. If I take t plus 4 and then I take minus 1 as common, t plus 4 equal to 0. T equal to 1, t equal to minus 4. Now, substituting t, I can say x square will be equal to 1 or minus 4. This is invalid. Square of a number can never be a negative number. So x square will be equal to 1. X can be plus or minus 1. Make sense?
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma?
I don't understand what you did from the 10 to the power 0 step onwards.
10 to the power of 0. Okay, so here 10 to the power of 0 is 1, right? So cross multiply 9x power of 4 will be equal to 1 times this, correct? It's like cross multiplying 1 by 2 equal to 5 by 10, right? Cross multiplying 5 times 2 equal to 10 times 1, right? So like that, if this becomes 1, right? See, suppose if I get half x equal to 1, what do you do? You multiply by 2 on both sides, right? The denominator, you multiply by the denominator on both sides. Okay, right side, your denominator gets cancelled and the denominator will go up on the left side. Siddhi, are you with me?
Yeah.
So that's how I got this will be equal to 9x power of 4. Make sense? Siddhi, are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, the last problem, guys. Okay, we will do this later or I will assign as homework. This two I'll assign. See, factoring is pretty easy. X minus 6, you will put it as t. So this becomes 2t square minus 10t plus 12 equal to 0. 12 2s are 24. For 24, you will put it as 12 and 2. 2t square minus 12t plus 2t plus something feels wrong. 12 2s are 24, right? So it's a positive 24. So how do you get a positive 24? Positive 24 with a 10. Okay, maybe I'll solve this next week. Okay, I'll take this and solve next week for your for time's sake. Let's finish this. Okay, see, this one is log. This is basically 5 power of half, right? So how did you solve this? Meaning this one, you can say log base b of a equal to x. So how will I write it into exponent form? B power of x equal to a, right? So root 5 power x equal to 1 by 5. Everything you can express it as 5 power, right? This will be 5 power of half x. Now I can equate the powers. Base is the same. So half x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 2. Good job, Krish, on that. Okay, and for factoring, I can show you quickly if you want to. 2t square minus 10t plus 12 equal to 0. Divide by t throughout, I can make it simpler, right? 5t plus 6 equal to 0. Here, your factors would be 60. But something feels so wrong to me. Maybe. So let me go ahead with minus b plus or minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. T will be equal to 5 plus or minus 1 by 2. T will be equal to 6 by 2 or 4 by 2. 3 or 2. So now t will be equal to what? What did I substitute? X minus 6. So x minus 6 will be equal to 3. X minus 6 will be equal to 2. So there are two answers, x equal to 9 or x equal to 8. Guys, did you get it? This is how you solve for factoring. Factoring, you should try to make it into a quadratic equation by making some substitutions. The substitution here would be x minus 6 equal to a variable. Make sense?
Miss Priya,
Yes.
how did you simplify into t squared minus 5t plus 6?
I use the quadratic formula. Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a is there, right? That's what I did here. Siddhi, did that answer your question?
Yeah, the step above that though.
Oh, here,
Oh, you just divided everything.
divided by 2 throughout. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, can I stop here, guys? Okay, I'll see you all next week. But if you have a particular topic that you want me to review, I would love to do that now that we are done, right? So I'm okay to do that next week. Okay, see you all next week, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya. Thank you.
Bye, bye. Bye, guys.